Hey bunnies, for this video I'll be showing you how I do my extra long Marley twist. I use 1 pack of colored hair and 3 packs of black. You can use more or less, but I redid them using 4 packs of black instead of 3 for a fuller look. Hair ties, a tail comb, a wide tooth comb, and jam. I always start out sectioning my hair in 4 or 3 depending on how much hair I'm using. Taking 4 strands of hair and joining them as seen here. I begin my braids with a plait and then twist down.
Here we are, all the freaks and believers, all the sweet neon dreamers. My city.
Do your makeup, add some charms, and style. I really hope this video was helpful. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun?